I am a oncologist specializing in quantum medicine, energy medicine, you can say. And what I found is everyone talks about magic in Kangen water, miracle in Kangen water, but the actual magic has never been discussed. I have not heard this from any of the uplines or leaders, no matter how old they have been associated with Kangen. So today what I'm going to share is going to help you understand what exactly is why this water is magical. To start with, I would like to tell you there is one organ in our body which can never suffer from cancer. And I'm sure 99.99% of the people don't know about it, because none of the doctors even know about it. You must have heard about cancers of different organs: eyes, nose, ears, blood, bone, everything. But I'm sure you have never heard about the cancer occurring in heart. The heart cell is the one cell in your body which actually resists cancer whole its life. It has resisted the cancer for billions of years since the human history. Cancer has never occurred in the heart of human being. So when I was doing this research, I found that every healthy cell of human body has a particular amount of negative charge. So if the cell has a charge of -70 to -90 millivolts, it is supposed to be healthy. So we can say it other way around as well. So if the charge of the cell is between -70 to -90 millivolt, it cannot suffer. It is supposed to be healthy. Now, when we found that what's the reason what's the reason behind the heart cell never getting cancer? So we could not find even a single factor which can cause this, because heart cell can suffer from bacterial infection, can suffer from viral infection, can suffer from worm infestation, but still it was able to resist cancer. So then I measured, I found somebody measured the current of the heart cell, and it was surprisingly the heart cell works at the voltage of -120 millivolts. So this was the only reason which I could find in the written history that may help the heart to resist cancer for its life. So the negative charge of our Kangen water is one of the main reasons why we are able to get so many miraculous results. So how it affects is, once you are able to raise your negative charge in your body, in your cells, not only the resistance towards cancer occurs in the body, but there is a mechanism in the body through which the body heals itself. That mechanism is, so whichever cell is not working, the body makes the new cell and replaces it with the cell which is not working. So that's how body is able to heal itself or cure itself of any disease. So what happens is, when you raise this negative charge of the cell, the capacity of reproducing is normalized. So body starts to make new cells due to this negative charge, and that's the reason why we get all the miraculous results, where the diseases are impacted and the conditions are improved and the diabetes are cured, and just like a previous testimony, the thyroid got cured. So it is actually your body which is doing the magic, because you have given the capacity of making new cells to the your body.
Sorry, I've got to give you one more minute to wrap up.
Oh, it's done. It's done. That's the only information which I wanted to give you. Thank you so much for your time and
Thank you, Mr. Vivek. You have given us a new approach. Actually, what we do